Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create product payment links on GoHighLevel. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on the official website. So to create a payment link, navigate to payments, payment links, create link, give your payment link a name at the top of the screen like this. Just type in your name like this, and then you have to select the product and select its price. So just do it like this, then configure optional settings if you wanna, then click on save, click preview, then copy the link from your browser and send it to your recipient. So this is how you do it, guys. It's that simple. You can follow all of these steps step by step, and yeah, this is how you do it. It's really simple, guys. So if you found this video to be helpful, guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.